Mul-T-Lock, with the logo that has become synonymous with high-security locking solutions, joins forces with Starcom Systems, a world leader in GPS tracking technology and remote monitoring, to create the next generation of padlocks. Watchlock combines a high-security padlock with an electronic alert system that notifies you by text message or email. The device is fully autonomous, does not rely on external power supply, and operates under all weather conditions. It is a simple, reliable, and cost-effective solution for preventing theft from both the outside and from within your organization, providing you security and peace of mind. If you are shipping goods to remote locations, supervision and control are essential. Watchlock provides continuous monitoring of the container's route, while ensuring it has not been opened anywhere along the way, and thus helping the authorities in their inspection duties. Watchlock tracks your containers in real time and reports any movement deviating from the preset itinerary. Once you define port locations and timetables through Watchlock's user-friendly software, the system will stand guard and contact you only in case of an unscheduled divergence. Every opening of the container is logged, indicating time and place. The data is available to you at all times. Anywhere around the globe, you are always in control. The system generates a report detailing the route of each container and exactly when and where it was opened, so you can verify reports from the field while improving the overall efficiency and control of your organization. Every day, hundreds of items left unsupervised are stolen around the world. Trailers, campers, and mobile generators are at risk. In the event of stealing the equipment along with its lock, Watchlock will alert on leaving the predefined geographical area. Retailers who are absent from their place of business find a unique solution in Watchlock, replacing the regular padlock with Watchlock, which is just as easy to operate, provides you with reliable supervision over the store's actual opening and closing hours each and every day. Watchlock is your assigned security guard that ensures your peace of mind, knowing that no news means good news. Watchlock. Be the first to know.